Test your pop culture knowledge, 2025's biggest moments. Kendrick Lamar made history as the first solo rap act to headline the Super Bowl halftime show. Beyoncé became the first black artist to win Best Country Album with her album Cowboy Carter. Following their Super Bowl performance, Kendrick Lamar and SZA added multiple dates to their joint tour. The Hustle is a comedy series featuring Kate Hudson in a leading role. Kendrick Lamar's diss track Not Like Us won Record of the Year, making it the most decorated song in Grammy history. Travis Kelce played coy about a rumored Super Bowl proposal to Taylor Swift. Katy Perry's Lifetimes tour includes stops in major cities across the United States. Morgan Wallen's album announcement was accompanied by a tour announcement. The Fire Aid benefit aims to support wildfire relief efforts in California. Tubi, owned by Fox Corporation, streamed the Super Bowl live for the first time. Trevor Noah hosted the Grammys for the fifth consecutive year. Chappelle Roan was recognized for her breakout success in 2024. Kendrick Lamar's Not Like Us also secured Song of the Year, highlighting its impact. Doechii became the third woman to win Best Rap Album with Alligator Bites Never Heal. Sabrina Carpenter's album Short and Sweet earned her the award. Jack White's No Name was recognized in the rock category. Nick Cave's Wild God secured the award. Taylor Swift's Fortnite featuring Post Malone won Best Music Video. Charlie XCX's All Born Screaming was recognized in the dance/electronic category. SZA's album Lana won Best R&B Album, continuing her winning streak from previous years and solidifying her place as one of the leading voices in R&B. Dune: Part 2 received acclaim for visuals, storytelling, and performances, making it a Best Picture contender. Succession final season won Best Drama, Best Actor, Jeremy Strong, and Best Supporting Actor, Kieran Culkin. Balenciaga used AI to innovate digital fashion. The Giga Chad stare trend featured users mimicking the meme's intense stare in humorous settings. Zendaya and Tom Holland's engagement excited fans, following their Spider-Man romance.